welcome again, guys. Encrypted block here. So yesterday, that was Saturday, I made a video about how to stake BitTorrent token and also what was happening with my portfolio and also what was gonna happen to Terra Luna Classic. Right? And as I said, that's how it went. Right? Just like what I said, that's what had happened. So, it's not cause for panic. Definitely not. Right? So let's look at the market. Let me show you what had happened to Terra Luna Classic, Terra Luna, all those, kinds. But real quick, I'm just going to give you an overview of what has been happening with my portfolio. So yesterday, I've actually made $40 profit, and this morning I've made $45. How did I did that, right? So actually cashed out the $40 to some other stuff. However, this token by Loom Network, right? I saw it was pumping because I was a bit down with the UST. It gave me, bit of hit. So I've decided, okay, let's jump on this Loom Network token, and I've done so. Made a huge profit very fast. So that's why you have seen that I have over $45 PNL right there. However, I would strictly advise against what I did. I only did what I did because I wanted to experiment, right? That's the only reason why I had traded the Loom Network token. As you can see, the market here is extremely volatile, but that's that. You can gain a lot, you can lose a lot. You just have to be careful, because I went up to 296 this morning, and then I got in again. I got in at around 14.5. Thought that it was gonna go higher. I got in 14.5. Where was I? Yes, I got in around here, 14.5-ish here. And look what had happened. It fell from that 14.5 to 12.6 right here. And I said, okay, cool. When it got around here, I sold some, and I was like riding the wave. I came back here, I bought, and I did not cut it up there. I came right here, and then I bought, sold about here. Then I saw it was going up, and then I bought somewhere along the line. Then I sold it back on this side. I'm out right now because my total amount of funds that I have is 288 here. So this morning I was up to 296. That wasn't bad, because I was actually coming from 244, because I had to do a transfer of $40, so it would have pushed me back. But I'm fine. Made a huge profit here. Made $45 profit since this morning, which is pretty good, pretty good, because the $40 that I've transferred, I wouldn't consider it as a profit. I just took that from what I had. So this $45 now is actually profit. Yeah, but that's that. The Loom Network trading thing here, it's extremely volatile. You have to be careful, or else you're gonna get burned. As you can see how the price is coming down. Just look at the candlestick here. It's coming way down very fast. Look at the trend, So you have to be careful about the Loom Network token. But that's that. Let's go over to Terra Luna Classic. Let us go over to Terra Luna. As I said yesterday, the price was gonna come down, and just like I said, look at that. Just like I said, see that? Just like I said that it was gonna come down to this level, because yesterday when I did the video it was 43. That's where it was, right? And it has come down to 36. I was hoping that it was gonna come down much further, but that didn't happen. It came down around the 36.311 there, which isn't really a bad thing. Why isn't it bad? It's because many people are going to see this as a buying opportunity and they're going to get in, right? However, as I was outlining, that the 24-hour volume on Binance has dropped drastically because persons have took their profit. They're like riding the wave. They're like, okay, cool, I've made some money, I'm just gonna chill. And that is the most important thing to do. When you have made profit, you know, made something, no matter how small it is, just chill. Don't go into the market. Don't be greedy. And that's what's happening here, because persons look at this dip here, right? 36.021. So just imagine that you have gone up here, right up here, and say, oh, you know, it's not gonna drop further, and before you know, it's down like 1/2 pint, you know. So just like that, you can get wiped out in the market if you are greedy. That's why I keep on emphasizing, don't be greedy. So what is happening now is that persons who have took their profit and had buyback, some somehow managed to accrued some losses, so they are selling. So that is why the price is going down. And you're wondering, okay, why is Bitcoin price going up, however Terra Luna price is going down? The reason for that is, when Bitcoin was going down, Terra Luna was going up. The whole Terra Luna ecosystem tokens, they were going up, right? And look at that, the loop network is flying. It would be very risky to go in at a position like this. You would have to gone in around there, you know. It's very risky. I went in at that high the last time, learned my lesson, not going back on it, you know. Made a considerable profit. That's good. Whoever want to ride the market and make their profit, that's fine. Now, the Luna, this is Luna 2.0, it has been taking hits after hits, right? So it's now down to $4.67, and it's coming from $6.09. So you can just imagine that if you had bought at that $6 level, no stop loss, you would be in some serious agony right now. And as you can see with my 288 that I have, you know, I can purchase 61. But I'm not going to do that because the market now is extremely volatile, and you just have to give the market as much time as possible for it to heal, you know. And Luna 2.0 is going to go back down to around the $2 level. That's really where I'm looking for it to go back to. It has potential. The other day, the 24-hour volume was 1.5 billion. Now it has gone down to 276 million. So that's whenever volume drops, the interest drop. So the price is gonna fall automatically. It's like the domino effect. One fall, the other will pursue. So USTC, look at what had happened to USTC. Remember, we were coming from 650 yesterday. Yesterday we were coming from 650, 630, thereabout. Where is it at now? What did I say was going to happen to USTC? Now it went to a low of 465, and you can see it's at 468 now. For instance, if I wanted to purchase some, I could get 6,600 and 6,000 164 no, right? But this would be extremely stupid to purchase here because the price is gonna consolidate more. It's gonna go way down. Why? Because it is following Terra Luna Classic. Terra Luna 2.0 is following Terra Luna Classic. That's what is happening, right? So we're gonna listen before the day end. I'm gonna do another update on it, and you will see what I'm talking about. Okay, but I would avoid purchasing Terra USTC or any of the Terra Luna ecosystem token right now because the price is consolidating, prices are going down, volume is falling, less interest because persons have took their profit. Those who were greedy got in, they are trying to get out now, so that is why the price is dropping. However, Bitcoin prices is going up. Will I see a turnaround? Yes, there will be a turnaround, but unless what should happen to the market has already happened, it's not going to turn around. So it has to bottom out, then it's going to turn around. If the bottom out hasn't come as yet, then not going to see that. Now, a bottom out is basically the lowest level that the token is willing to go. What is the lowest level the token is willing to go? Well, I'm not sure, but I'm thinking that it will go back down to the 300 level. Remember, USTC went up to 760, right? That's the level that it went up to. And it has fallen all the way down. So it is just going back to that, nice spot of the 330 there. That's where it's heading to. Even if it doesn't go there, it's not very far. And look at what is happening there, right? So just like that, you just have to be cautious. Don't go into an extremely volatile market. You see a token price dropping, never get in. Whenever you see this red candlestick, do not purchase. It's extremely risky if you purchase on a red candle because this red candle ain't gonna magically change to green. I would be comfortable buying on a green candle that probably gonna change to red, but not gonna purchase on a red candle. Just have to be careful out there. So as for USTC, you just have to be extremely careful. Wait on it, and even if the price goes way back up, don't be sorry. Do not be sorry if the price goes up, because you're like saying, okay, I missed out on an opportunity. No, you did not miss out on an opportunity because you did not know where the market was heading, right? So if you did not know that the rain was gonna fall, how can you blame yourself if the rain fall? Can't blame yourself about something that you did not know and you were just being cautious. There is no substitute for being cautious. Being cautious is very good. Okay, so this is just basically it for now, guys. And look at the loom. Just final look at the loom. You see where it went up to the 14,887 there, and it has fallen back to the 13,500 level there. So you just have to be very careful, very careful. So I'm out for now. Just be safe, know what you're doing, do not be greedy. You have made substantial profit. That's pretty fine. If you have made that profit, that's pretty fine. Do not be greedy. Bitcoin is consolidating, and as I said the other day, that until I see it break the 22,000 level, then I'll have some hope. And I've seen that it had break the 22,000 level. Will Bitcoin go up? It's not gonna go up because we're still in a hardcore recession. Inflation is at its highest peak, right? So we're not looking for Bitcoin to break through this 2,000 barrier. It has gone as far as 22,494. That as high as it goes, right? Today is Monday. persons are back to work, so not gonna see very much in the market. Persons are taking their profit, but Bitcoin is not going to go over the 22,000 level, like 23,000. It's just not realistic for it to do that. Think it's gonna consolidate at around 2,000 ish there, and maybe it's gonna rally back to 21,000. Who knows? You just have to be extremely cautious with Bitcoin, right? So this is just how the market is right now, and it's always good to have some coins in your portfolio. So, if anything happen, you can purchase some coins. If there's any downfall in the market, you can purchase some coins. And always remember, don't be greedy. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to hit the subscribe and like button. I'm out.